Hey guys, hope you all are doing good. Firstly, I would like to thank each and everyone for giving so much love to my dance videos. I really appreciate it. And finally, I'm making the most requested video on my YouTube channel. That is my hair care routine.
For first remedy, we will be using these three ingredients: onion juice, olive oil and vitamin E capsule. Firstly, we will add 4 tablespoons of olive oil to onion juice. After that, we will add 2 vitamin E capsules to it. And then mix it well. The mask is ready to apply. Before applying this mask to your hair, make sure you comb your hair properly and remove all the tangles. And always comb your hair starting from your bottom length. Take a cotton ball and dip it into the mixture. Apply on your scalp. Apply all over your scalp properly. Onion juice is very beneficial for our hair as it boosts the blood circulation, prevents hair loss and promotes hair growth. It also helps against premature graying of hair and also works against dandruff. Second ingredient is vitamin E. It improves overall scalp and hair health. It helps in reducing oxidative stress in the scalp as oxidative stress has been linked with hair loss. It also adds shine to our hair. The third ingredient, olive oil. It fights against infections caused due to bacteria and improves blood circulation. It reduces scalp irritation and also makes our hair softer. Just make sure that you apply it all over your scalp properly. After that, massage your scalp for 10 to 15 minutes in a circular motion. And always make sure that you are massaging by your fingertips, not with your nails. Don't forget to apply this mask to your hair length as it will bring shine to your hair. So apply all over your hair length also. Use this remedy twice in a week for good results. After applying, secure your hair and make a bun and leave for 2 to 3 hours. And after that, wash with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. This mask will definitely bring volume to your hair. For second remedy, we will be using only one ingredient, rice. We will add water to it and wash it properly to remove all the dirt from it. After that, we will add purified water to it and leave it overnight. Now take the rice water in the spray bottle and spray it all over your hair, scalp and hair length. Rice water also proves to be very beneficial for our hair as it makes our hair strong, smooth and shiny. It contains amino acid that helps in faster hair growth. It also reduces split ends. After applying rice water all over your hair, give yourself a massage of 10 to 15 minutes. After that, secure your hair properly and make a bun. And leave this hair mask for 1 to 2 hours. And then wash with your favorite shampoo and conditioner. Use this mask thrice a week for good results. After shampoo, apply hair serum to your hair length as it reduces the frizziness, make your hair manageable and easy to comb. I hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video.